Hello, everybody. My name is Jessica Silvana Marin Gonzalez. I am a foreign languages studied in semester 4. Today I'm show you here in my work, in my task, excuse me, about the random questions. The random question for me: what is your favorite smell? Okay, the sentence of smell is highly influenced. We perceive different aromas depending on the situation, on the stimuli that accompany them. We offer resort analogies and metaphors. All smells, also know different odors or aromas, can vary widely and have different characteristics. It depends of the characteristics. I think so. So here in my screen, you can see different smells that I love it. The first one is citrus, like orange, like lemons, like grapefruits. The smell is like high contents and essential oils, promote energy and alertness. The second one is vanilla. Vanilla is sweet and is baking a fragrance to do is rich and inviting aroma. It's for example for houses or maybe when you going to a special moment with somebody. Ocean breeze is the smell of the ocean at home. It's fresh and is light and is really refreshing. The next one is rain. The smell is a rain shower and is like a combination that the minerals, the earth and plants. The next one is coffee. The coffee is like is a good and rich aroma because it's when you wake up and you feel this smell as like a good morning, right? And the last one is chocolate. Chocolate is sweet and is elegant. It's about desserts and treats. So there are my favorites is milk. I think so that everybody has different individual preference about smell, and it's like an experience and associations in different ways. So thank you so much for listening and for it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.